Hello friends! Welcome to the Great Wild Adventure, where we explore the most amazing animals from around the planet. Are you ready to meet some incredible creatures and learn their secrets? Let's go! Hello friends! This is an elephant. Elephants are the largest land animals in the world, and they love to talk to each other using the sounds that humans can't even hear. This is monkey. Whoop whoop. Monkeys love to swing from tree to tree. Forest is a big playground for them. They love playing in the tree tops and finding delicious fruits to munch on. They find all sorts of fruits to eat. Yum! Hoot hoot! This is an owl. They keep an eye on the forest at night. Their big eyes help them to see in the dark, and they can turn their head almost all the way around. This is fox, the clever wanderer of the forest. They are great hunters, but they also enjoy fruits and berries. Did you know foxes are great at sneaking around? They have to be clever to find food in the forest. And this is bear. They love to eat honey and berries. They love to catch fish in the river. Did you know they are very good swimmers? But remember, if you ever meet them in the forest, it's best to admire them from a distance. Hey, this is a squirrel. They love to jump from tree to tree, looking for nuts to store for the winter. They love to collect acorns and sometimes forget where they have buried them, which helps new trees grow. And here is deer. They love to munch on fresh leaves. Did you know deer have very good hearing, and they even move ears in different directions to listen for sounds? Hello adventurers, here is tiger. Did you know they have unique stripes that are just like human fingerprints? Lion, the king of the jungle. Their roar can be heard up to 5 miles away. Hello friends, this is the reindeer. They thrive in colder forests and known for their incredible migrations. Hi little ones, this is the rhino. Their horn is very special, but it's also the reason rhinos need our help. They need to be protected so they can continue to charge through the grasslands. Thanks for joining the Great Wild Adventure. Until next time, keep exploring and learning about the amazing world around us. Thank you.